Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to juggle two objects. This will be a very easy tutorial and I will be going over the basics of juggling two objects just like this one. Now as you can see, I'm actually using two oranges and it's really easy to do. Now I know, let's face it, it's not nearly as impressive as juggling three oranges or three balls or four balls or five objects. I know that. I'm not a professional juggler. However, it is pretty impressive. If you're walking down the street like this, you know, people aren't going to drop their jaws, but they are going to say like, wow, you're pretty coordinated. And the good thing is when you do something like this, it's easy enough that you can learn how to do it easily, but also you can ensure that you can keep talking to someone as you're doing it. Very simple, just like I'm doing right now to the camera. So this is how you do it, okay? You want to have, ideally you want to start with maybe baseballs or oranges or anything like that. And then you can work your way to like juggling other things. You can pretty much juggle anything that you want as long as you have two of them, okay? Make sure that you're juggling the same thing. So don't juggle like a pen and a cup. That's not going to work, okay? Make sure you're juggling two cups or two pens, whatever the case is. All right, so you want to start with one object in each hand like this. Now you want to pick your dominant hand, in my opinion, to throw the first object, and you want it to sort of follow this path like that, okay? Now the higher that you throw the object, the more time that you're going to have to respond and react. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you throw it up at a decent height, and as you throw that one, okay, you're going to pass with your non-dominant hand. So in my case, my left hand passes the object to my right hand, okay? And then my left hand catches it because now my left hand is open. So throw, pass, catch. Throw, pass, catch. That's how you want to start. Throw, pass, catch. And you don't have to toss it to the other hand. You can give it like, so throw, pass, catch, like that. Throw, pass, catch. Then what you want to do is extend the passing range to start lobbing it, like that. Throw, pass, catch, like that, okay? And then once you've mastered that, you're going to keep practicing. You want to go a bit higher, okay? When you go higher, it's going to look more impressive, like that, okay? See, you know, even if I've been doing this for years, and you still make mistakes, totally fine, but you want to go higher, and you want to practice higher, then medium, then low. Okay? Now here's the thing. When you go high, you have more time to pass it and to catch it, more time to react, and it looks cooler. Okay? When you go low, it doesn't look as cool, but it's way faster. So basically, you want to master the high throwing, okay? The medium throws, and then the low throws. Just like that, okay? Because they all have different dynamics. And when you want to bring it all together to make it look awesome, you're going to bring all three together. So you're going to basically, you know, you want to do some high, then some low, medium, high, up in the sky, low, okay? Low, 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 low. You want to just bring them all together. It's going to look awesome. And then as you're talking to someone, you can say, you know what? That's basically it. That is essentially how to juggle two objects with two hands. It's a really simple tutorial and I hope that you've enjoyed it. All that you have to do is practice. Yes, you might have to sacrifice a few oranges in the process. It's pretty simple though. Once you practice, you'll be a pro at it. Honestly, I think I practiced for about half an hour when I was younger before I got good at it. And then before I got decent at it, and then I was able to just keep getting better and better. And now it's just something that I do kind of for fun. And that's it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.